Okay, now in view of participating or prepare in the OEX that we are mining on the Satoshi app for the in the long test net, all we have to do is to follow all these steps. But now there's another update for those of us who are already participating in the test net, where we shall give us update. But for those of us who are yet to participate, we'll follow every single step. So what we do is, first and foremost, we'll click this link right here. Open it up on your browser. Once it opens up, you have this interface before you. For those of us who are already participating in the long test net, you remember that at first Google Play Store wasn't available, but we downloaded the APK directly, but now it has been uploaded into the Google Play Store. So what you have to do, if you are already participating in the test net, do not download for the Google Play Store. Come and download from here and update your app so that we can participate in the BWB point, so that we can get some point for the BitGet wallet point that is going on at the moment. As we know, OEX has partnered with BitGet wallet, and so as part of their campaign, they have made it available that those who are participating in the long test net can also earn some BWB points. So what we are going to do now is to click the third option, that is this one. We download directly from here. So once we click the option, it will take us to this page. Okay, allow it to load, and we ask for verification that you are a human being, that you're not a robot. So once you pass the verification, it will take you to where to download. So click this and then wait for it to verify. Okay, verification successful. It takes us straight to the site. Now this is what you're going to do. Once you get to this site, click this. Once you click, this app will get downloaded in your phone. So okay, download anyway. So we check the details and allow it to get downloaded. Okay, once it gets downloaded, what we do is first and foremost to install it in our phone. Wait for some seconds. It doesn't take time to get installed. Okay, now that it has been installed in our phone, we'll simply click open. So once you click open, we are going to see two options: to sign up or to import wallet. So we are going to sign up. We are not importing any wallet. So we'll sign up. Once you click sign up, it will ask you for a code. Create a code. Once you create the code and confirm it, you see this done will be highlighted. Click done and then allow it to load. Okay, once it loads, this interface opens up. The first thing to do is to back up our wallet for safety. So what do? We come here and we click this last option. You see backup, click back up. Once you click the backup, then just click inside the box. Click inside. Your private key will be made available. Please save this private key. Don't let any other person see this private key, because with it, your assets can be removed anytime, any day from your wallet. So always keep your private key safe. So we are going to pause this video now to back up our private key. So once you back up your wallet, the next thing to do is to proceed to this place called orb. Once you click the orb, you have to participate in the first. So you can see for downloading the app from the third option, that's what makes this one available for us, the Bget wallet times Openex. We'll come back to this, but for now the first thing to do is to click on faucet. So click on faucet. On the faucet, we are going to do a quiz competition or a quiz. Yes, make sure you pass this quiz. So for answers to all these quiz, the answers, you'll find them in our Telegram channel. We already have all the answers. All the questions are not the same, but they are in group. The answers are in group, and you can easily get all the answers. So they are in different sections, so whatever question it is, you can get the answer. So we'll click start. Let us begin the quiz. So we'll click start. Now we have about 4 or 5 questions. So this is the first option. Do tokens on the testnet have a value? The answer is no, B. So we choose B. C is the answer. Then the next question says, what is Web3? Web3 is a JavaScript library used for the development of decentralized applications. So number 4 says, how can you avoid scam links on Twitter? Click any link. I think is the safest of it, or do not click any link. Then, what are NFTs? Non-fungible tokens. A unique digital asset that cannot be replaced with something else. Yes, that is the answer. And now click submit. So you see we have passed the test, the quiz. So now that we have passed the quiz, we simply click this arrow to go back. So click this arrow to go back. So now that we have done that, let us come to our asset and see if we have received the 10 USDT testnet token for us to be able to participate in the swap. So you can see, okay, you see sometimes it continues like this, but we have received it. So we can see as we continue to refresh, okay, we have our 10 USDT, as you can see it here. Our balance, we have our 10 USDT here. So the next thing now is to proceed to do the swapping. So what we are going to do is to click the orb again. Once you click the orb, the next thing is to click this other one, the first option, which is swap here. This interface will open before us. Once this interface opens before us, ensure you have up to 1 OEX. If you don't have up to 1 OEX, it will be difficult for you to verify your account under mission. So what we are going to do is, let's swap. We are going to swap about 7.6 to give us about 1 OEX. Okay, since that is the case, so we'll click swap now. Click this swap. So we can see that the swap is successful. Since the swap is successful, the next thing to do is click right inside this place. Do not go back. Click right inside this place. Click this OEX. Once you click it, it will bring out this option. Now look at this one that is called AGI long. So this is the one we are going to swap again. So we'll touch it. Once we touch it, so we have about 2 USDT remaining, 2.3 thereabout. So let us swap 1.2, and this is going to give us about 2.8 AGI. So click swap again. So the swap has been done. Since we are done with this now, the next thing to do is to click this arrow now to go back. So we click assets, this, and then we can see, okay, you can refresh if everything is not showing yet. Okay, you can see our USDT we have 1.1, our OEX 1.0, and our AGI we have about 2.8. So we are done here. The next thing is to proceed to missions. Okay, or mission, yeah, we'll proceed to this tab. Once we open up, we are going to see different types of missions. We have mission E, which is email, mission X, Twitter, mission T, Telegram, mission L for the swapping, and mission Z for completing the quiz. So if we click mission Z, we'll see that it will show that we are already through. We have passed this mission because we have passed the quiz. So we have received the 10 long testnet USDT. So this one is done. Then you click mission L. So wait for it to load, to be loading. Allow it to load so you can see the missions, the swapping was successful. So now we'll click submit. Okay, that has been done. You can see that. So we'll go back. Then the next one is mission T, which is mission Telegram. So we'll touch it. Now this is what we are going to do. We are going to copy this address, this thing inside this box, copy it, or you can simply touch it. It is copied. Once you copy it, now we'll go to the Telegram and search for this AGX bot. So here we are in the Telegram. So we click and search for AGIEX. Okay, but we are going to see different options. So you see this one now. Do not choose the one that has number. It is not a group, it is a bot. So you are choosing this one. So, and then be careful, there are some people who are trying to scam, creating a replica bot. So what you do, once this has been done, welcome to AGL Boss, Openex Exchange, kindly log in. Okay, let me see what this is saying. It says what? Now, kindly click on bind wallet button and complete action. Get your Telegram username embedded. Okay, so first all we'll do is we'll paste the message we have copied, and then we'll click send. Okay, kindly click on bind wallet button and complete action. Get your Telegram username binded on there. Okay, let us see this. What is the problem? You see, very good. Please, this is, I guess this is wrong. This is a scamming one, because this is not how it's supposed to be. We are not supposed to click this. So let us go back and search again. Okay, AGEX underscore bots BOT. So how many have we now? Okay, let us check this. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is the first one we use. We don't want this. AGX underscore bots BOT. So this was the first we used. So let us try this now. Let us try this second one. This one. So let us try this one. Click start. Then paste the message you copied. Very good. You can see now, please pay attention. Anyone that's asking you to bind your wallet, copy, and this, The only option is this: click start, paste the message and wait for some times. You will get this message: this is the rebirth. Any other one is fake. So as you can see, the first one that was asking us, this one that was asking us bind your wallet, please do not bind your wallet here. Do not copy your wallet, because okay, let us see the option now. If we click bind wallet, you're going to see to bind your Telegram account to send the message command to your wallet address, then give us 2 lines and paste your OEX app 12 seed phrase. Please, this is a scammer. For no reason, nobody will ever ask you for your 12 seed phrase or your private key. Once you show that, these people will get access to your wallet, and when OEX start paying out whatever you have mined, they will be able to remove it from your wallet, or they will have to create a new wallet with your seed phrase. So you can see this one is a very big scam. So when you are trying to bind your Telegram, please be very careful. Just make sure that you follow this one, the one that asks you. Once you click start, no, nothing comes up. Paste what you have copied and then you will see this message. That's all. So anything asking you bind your wallet, please be very careful. Now that we are done binding our Telegram, we'll go back to the app. So we are in the app. We'll wait for some time, or you can even go back and come back. Okay, let us come back again, touch it again. Okay, you can see now this has also been successful. It has been bound. So we are through with our Telegram task. Now we'll go back to the Twitter. So for the next task, which is the Twitter task, we'll click it. Once we click it, the first thing we do is to input our username without @. So this our Twitter username. So without the @, then click next. So once you click next, the next thing you have to do, you see this box, this particular box, this box, just touch it and the message will get copied. Then go back to your Twitter. So when you get to your Twitter account, simply click this and then choose the last option, post. And then what you have copied, without writing any other thing, just paste it. Once you've pasted it, click post. Just post this that you have pasted, post it. Then this message that pops up, touch it. It will take you to your message. Then this share icon, touch it. Once you touch it, then click this copy link. Copy the link and then go back to the app. Once you come back to the app, the link you have copied, paste it in this box. So we'll paste the link. Then once you paste the link, we'll click check status. Allow it to check. Okay. Now we are yet to get verified. So you see when this, okay, now we are verified. You can see everything, all the red has turned to green tick. So the next thing to do is to click finish mission. So once you click finish mission, this also has been completed. So we'll go back. Then we have the last mission, which is to link our email address. Which email address? The email address with which you register for the Satoshi app, from where we are mining this OEX. So once you click that, you will see two options. What are the options, or two tasks, two things to do? First, select your country, then input the email address with which you registered for your Satoshi app. So first, I will always advise you select your country first, because many people have made the mistake in the process of trying to select country. They mistakenly press submit and they chose the wrong country. So what you do first and foremost, select this country. You can type your country's name. We are in Nigeria, so we choose Nigeria. Then the email address with which you register for your Satoshi app. So we select the email address. Once that has been done, the next thing to do is to click this submit button. So you can see this mission has been completed. So we are through with this mission. That's all you have to do. Choose your country, input the email address that is linked to your Satoshi app with which you opened your Satoshi app, and then it is done. Then click the arrow to go back. So now that we are through with our task, all we have to do again is to come back to this hub. Click it, and now for those of us who have been participating in the testnet from the outset, we'll see that this interface wasn't there before. This BWB ecosystem partner program, you see, it wasn't there before. So that was why I said those of us who have been doing this, all we have to do is to go and download from either the second or the third option. We use the third option, so you can choose either the second from the BitHub or from the other option. When you update your app, come back to this hub and you see this interface like this. So when you see this interface like this, just click it. Click anywhere in the interface. Once you click it, this task is just like the Twitter task. What are we to do? All we have to do is to enter our Twitter username, just the way we did our Twitter task. Once we enter our Twitter username, we click next step, and then this box, just like the Twitter task, this box, just touch it, and the text inside will get copied. Once you copy the text, go back to Twitter, your Twitter account. So now that we are in our Twitter account, all we have to do now is to click this plus sign. Once we click the plus sign, we'll click the last option, which is this post, this one that looks like feather. Touch it, and then this interface opens up. All that we have copied, we'll paste it here. Once we paste it here, then click posts. Click posts. Once you click posts, okay, got it. Once you click post, it has been posted. Okay, now ordinarily there's supposed to be a pop-up that comes here. Just touch it, it will take you directly to the post. But if we miss it, no issue. Just come, click your profile picture here, then click profile. Once you click profile, it will bring you here. Now this is our latest post. You can see it, this particular one. Now click this share icon. Once you click it, then click to copy the link. Copy link this, then copy it. Once you've copied the link, go back to the app. So paste the link that you have copied from the post here, and then click check status. So allow it to load. So as you can see, the task is completed. So all we have to do now is to click finish mission, and once you click finish mission, you can see, so this is also completed. So this is all we have to do for this task, and participation in the OEX Long Testnet is completed. So we can click the arrow to go back, and now we are done with our participation. So do well to participate if you have been mining in this app. So we do not know what the reward might be. You can see that 20% of the entire supply of OEX token is dedicated to airdrop for community for mining. But if you check the Satoshi app, we have been mining only 10%. So we do not know if the other 10% is going to be incentives or reward for those who participate in the long testnet. So do well to participate, and that's all we are going to do. So we remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty. Till we come your way again next time. Remain blessed.